Hello and welcome to this short mini review of a model from Steamforged Games. His name is Rangosh, the Scourge of the Broken Plains. He's from their Godtear Kickstarter game. He was part of the sort of early release kit that they did in metal, and it's kind of a demon style, but he has minions with him, 5 followers. He's a champion for the game Godtear, and he has 5 followers with him, which all come in this single box. So without further ado, I shall open it and present to you a pile of metal. So you can see he's a big guy. In my hand there, that's the main hulking body of his. You can see actually there's a very slight hint of the Hulk actually about him, to be fair. Those flat teeth, which are very characteristic of the Hulk, although in the game he's I've seen him painted red, a sort of that demon red. Probably best not paint him green actually, because it would look a bit cliched to do him in a true Hulk colour. And you can see the main torso area and the hoof and feet that he has. So fantastic looking model, I think. So what else do we get in the box? So that's his main sort of body. He's got 2 large horns. Massive leathery kind of chain metal weapon, chain stars. What else comes with the main guy? There's some smaller horns. Frankly, I don't know where those go. Oh no, they come up behind. They're like teeth horns, and then these are like the head horns. So yeah, the 2 big head horns. I'll get rid of the baggies. And his other fist has a sort of a small horn or something in it. And then the 5 minions, which are all very nice looking, sort of humans really. I found that very interesting when I saw this game and I saw this particular character, Rangosh, because rather than the typical demon kind of lord king that would come with some sort of demon-like minions, these are very sort of civilized looking. I guess you could say they're a kind of cultish look to them though, with this leathery sort of armour on. One of them there has a crossbow, and again the cowled look. So if I get all of these out one by one, that's this guy's small hand crossbow. They've all got crossbows actually. There you go, that's a crossbow group. So obviously he presents quite a threat in terms of that long weapon he's got there, but these guys are also ranged with their crossbows. So yeah, very nice. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in now. Well, I'll switch to the view of the actual model on the Kickstarter. And there he is. And as I understand it, what they've done here is, this is a new cast of him on the Kickstarter in a sort of a plastic rendition, which is different from the one I've got here because it has the has more of a pronounced leaning forward look to the one that I've got. So if I bring them both back, leave that guy in the small view here but zoom in it a little bit more, you can see he's standing up quite straight, and this model is sort of quite forward leaning. That more of that sort of raged look, raged leaning forward, and the one on the Kickstarter is a little bit more upright looking. Although as I understand it, they come with a health warning on the Kickstarter in that all of these prints that you can see here are not final, so they may adjust the models again before we get the final one shipped from the Kickstarter. So yeah, so I will zoom back in again now and just flip to the camera view. There we go. So if I bring back my stand, So here we can see the main upper body, and that, as I was saying earlier, the sort of hulkishness to his face. Will that focus? Yeah, those famously flat teeth. Although you can see around the side of his chin, that indentation there, that is where these smaller horns go, and sort of curling downwards, and then the larger horns on the top there. So looking at the back, you can see it's got a sort of textured hair on the back, and if I bring up the fist and the weapon, you can just see how long that chain is from there. It's a fantastic piece of modelling. That's definitely going to, well, it's got a nice sort of nodule to give you a positive fix there, but I would pin that if I was putting that together to make sure it was solid, and especially with that length of weapon. So showing you the two horns and then the legs. Oh, he is sort of leaning forward. Try and get him in there properly. Nice model. Don't know obviously how it works in the rule set. I can imagine he's got enough range to whip that weapon around a couple of the hexagonal zones that are in the game. So yeah, quite a powerful sort of stomping guy with his with his crossbowmen that obviously hang back a little bit further. Great crisp detailing around that face and the hair. Great hairstyle. It was modelled on my hair when I had more and was younger. So hopefully you can see that there. Great detailing. How close can I get into this without it looking? There you go. Excellent. So yes, there's 5 of these geezers. His minions in various different poses. So great feature, obviously, fantastic feature of the Steamforged Games model ranges is that they mostly do everything unique. You don't get your classic repeats. So I probably don't need to show all of those in detail, but you can see that they are they're a nice set. And then I've done that terrible thing where I've actually broken these models away from their accessory hand crossbows. There's one that has 2, obviously comes with the 2 crossbows in his hand, and then that guy that has the bigger, which I remember as this chap, has the larger massive crossbow and a kind of a quiver and a backpack, and you can see that it's got those positive areas for his quiver to go into there. A sort of back sack. So there they are. So I'll just zoom back out now. I've now got a helicopter overhead, which is most annoying. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, nice little set. This is all you need for, well, you can play with just one champion, as I understand it, per side. So you obviously have these tougher guys that can hang on in there a bit longer with the sort of minions that fight with them. So I'll just go back to remind myself again of the model Rangosh, the Scourge of the Broken Plains. You see he comes with 5 followers and very smart looking models. Particularly like the fact that they've gone for this idea of that you get kind of a demon kind of leader there, but an interesting set of minions which are of the human variety. So thanks for listening in, and watch this space for more on Godtear. I have the main. So watch this space for more on Godtear. So look back soon for more details on Godtear. I have the early access kit and we'll be showing that off when I get to open it up and start to put these together and pin these heavy metal bodies together. Thanks for listening in. Goodbye.